too kind of ghosty.
It's like different, just like I find twos, I'm finding 4 5s for this.
Yeah.
That stings. That stings. Oh, it's worse than I was expecting it.
This is a pistol, not a sniper.
Yeah, I mean, I can be grateful for that at least. I don't want anything heavy in it.
That's the same weight as I'm using a sniper.
I mean like, yeah. We'll keep within the minimum engagement.
It's Ghost Rider, go on, get him!
Get him!
Get him!
Get him! Shoot him back, Max! Shoot him back!
Go on, Ghost Rider.
Get him! Go shoot, get him! Get him!
You have to get him back.
Go on! Max, when you pick Max, get him! Max, get him! Oh, he's rushing you, Max! Get him! Get him! Get him! Shoot him back, Max! Shoot him! Get him, Max! I'm not too safe right now. Why? Get him!
Go on, Ghost.
Get him!
Go on.
Go shoot, get him!
Go on. Push him.
That was a good one. No one should choose to get away with it. It's not a fight. Max, are you over that? Don't mess with him.
At least it's a Mark 20, not a sniper.
Yeah.
Even though she's using the same weights.
What's the sniper running?
And about 2.2 joules.
On the dot.
Near enough, yeah.
Nice. What's your opinion on HPing a sniper?
I don't know, I might get another fierce R10 and put a Wolverine bolt in it.
Nah. Max, Max, you stop quickly. Max.
No, for my true.
We've got another bit of kit to go on this on Tuesday.
Huh?
Got a bit of kit going on this on Tuesday.
Selling?
No, I've got a bit of kit going on it on Tuesday.
Oh, okay. What's it? What weights?
4 5s.
Can I try? 'Cause- oh,
It's loaded.
is that the one I see at what's its name?
Right.
Adz's.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know Hot's in a double up. Yeah. We're shooting off. Wait, hang on. I need to line it up. Okay. You need to line up the side of it.
And
Coming off. I'll do that now because I wouldn't be able to cope with that.
I guess so. Like, I've got to be set. I've got to be getting to the upper floor, yeah, and sitting on the stairs waiting for people. Ow! Yeah.
There's a really good peepee hole on the roof.
No, yeah, if you don't lie on the belly at the top of the stairs, you go to the roof, then you get in the You can escape that around the corner. Yeah, I got a bit locked up.
Nah.
Yeah, he's got this. He's going to go up there and go over and he's up there.
It's doing.
Going for what we like to call the Eddie Hall build. So I lift a lot, but look like shit. It's bulging. Okay, you got some hands. Can I have my knife, please?
I'm going for the most expensive piece of and they don't even connect. Why have you even... No, I'm not going to take it. Yeah, Bell. Why didn't you use the Guys, if you want to gather in, please.
Oh, yes.
Gang
hipster.
That's it, guys. Coming all the way in. Rentals up the back. Come on. You guys are in the group as well. We're all best friends.
Best friends forever. We're all special.
Weaponised water. No.
Well, I'm shooting at the feet.
My toes.
Right there, guys. Welcome to your second match of the afternoon. Please do not put a round into my gentleman's area. Hold your fire, please. Welcome to FOB Field. We are going to be playing Capture the FOB. The objective, you have the flag. The red one is up at the moment because the armbands from this morning won earlier. What you are going to have, please don't put a round in my toe, that's the second person. You have the flags in the middle. Armbands, you are going to be raising the red flag. I will reset it, don't worry. Non-armbands, you are going to be raising the blue flag. The winner is the person who has the flag at the end of the round, okay? So if you decide to defend for 9 minutes and then on the last minute the enemy team runs in and gets the flag up, they win, okay? So play this however you think best to have the flag at the end. Your boundaries, you have the river down the bottom. If you're up to your ankles in water, you've gone too far. You have the spawns on either side. You don't need to go behind these. You also have the white rat trees up the top. Don't go past there, you'll be on heli and you will be covered in about 500,000 ants. Are there any questions?
Limits of how many people in the FOB?
No limit of defenders in the FOB. That being said, we're going to be playing on full auto outside of the FOB. But once you reach 10 meters or are within the FOB, you must swap down onto semi. That being said, obviously, if the FOB is semi only, no LMGs in there, simple as.
And when the flag's up, do you have to get out?
Yes.
Last time I played flag and then get out and then stop everyone else getting in.
Yeah, we're playing it a little bit differently.
So you
Right.
can be in there all the time.
Yeah. Let's crack on. Armbands heading up to the top spawn over there. Non-armbands heading over to the other top spawn.
Better the top end than the bottom end. True, especially sometimes my backside is a bit ripe.
Better in the top end than the bottom end.
Yeah, it's better at the top end than the bottom end.
But when you did it in the bottom end, you said better in the bottom end than the top end. Sit down. Oh, you were that popper?
What they're going to do, they're going to go up to the top and sit in the bushes at the far end and wait for us to bring all the way through the ships out. It's a great place. Down there. See that little pub. Are you impressed with the ball green, yeah?
That's why it's ordering one tonight.
What was that?
What's that?
Someone just shot that.
Nah, it's a bit of wood. I just